It started out bright and sunny, and as you can see, the fog has rolled in. I'm off on a ride. The plan is to go from Santa Ana River to the San Gabriel River up by Disneyland. And I'm just starting out. Hopefully the sun will come out. A little over 3 miles, about 6 kilometers in. Got some shadows. Well, the sun's broken through the marine layer enough you can still see the remnants of snow on the local mountains. I'm almost up to the Big A. Well, here's a better view. There's the Big A, and there's the snow. I've made it to Angel Stadium. And I'm going to head out, I think it's Gene Autry Way, one of the original owners of the baseball team, towards Disneyland. We'll check that name when we get there. It's always fun to stop and see Mickey. They've got him out for the new season. Hey, Mickey. And the stars of the team. Nice tree-lined boulevard. It's pretty close. It's Gene Autry Way, not Gene Autry Boulevard. This will take us over the freeway and into Anaheim. Just outside the Disneyland Resort. This is some 1950s kitsch. The Alpine Inn. On Catella Avenue, going to turn right on Disney Way, or Disneyland Drive. I passed Disneyland Park on Ball. Trying to get a bike lane at Loara. Oh, beautiful trees in blossom. Coming up on Euclid Street. Not very picturesque. Still in Anaheim, but at least I have a bike lane. I'm past Beach Boulevard. And I should turn off up here at the river. I'm in Cypress. Can't be too far from the 605 freeway. And once I get over that, then I'll jump on the San Gabriel River Trail and start heading home. Hey, just into Los Alamitos on Ball. This must be Coyote Creek Trail. So that's good. Saved me from crossing the 605 freeway and shave a few miles. They just passed under the 605 freeway and Catella Avenue. I'm pretty sure I'm on Coyote Creek. It will join up here at this bridge with the San Gabriel River. And there's the 605 to my left. Yes. Okay. A couple more miles will be on the PCH, the Pacific Coast Highway. About a mile more on the San Gabriel River Trail. Go under Pacific Coast Highway and then start heading south. Okay, there's Pacific Coast Highway. It's Pacific Coast Highway up there, and that's where I'll be getting off. Just passed through Seal Beach. Going over the Anaheim Bay overpass. Right next to the Naval Weapons Center. Just over the Anaheim Bay overpass, and here I am at Surfside Colony. About 10.5 miles, so maybe. Okay, battery's about to die, so I'll sign off here at the Water Tower House. Bye.